Hello friends, hello everyone who right now watching this video. My name is Team Wider, and this is the video about how to find the online job, how to make mine online. Because for some reason, a lot of the people, they asking me the questions about how to make mine online, and most of my time I'm in the PHP company. I'm doing the business, guys, and for the many people it's hard to start, it's hard to change something in their life, and they searching for the job. So this video exactly for that kind of the people who wants to find online job. And today I just want to show you the platform which call it Upwork.com, and right here many people, they can find exactly that what they searching for. If they have some skills, so they can provide that skills to the people who required them, and the people will gonna pay you guys. They will pay you for your skills, so you must to make some job, and people will gonna pay for you. So actually this is the website for the freelancer. So if you working online, so you are like a freelancer, you will be called freelancer, my friend. So we're right now on the Upwork.com, and how to find this website. Actually, you can just go into the description, and right over there will be the link, so you can click on that link and you will be on the same page which you see right now on your screen. But the most important, how to find the work right here, because you can see the many links right here, many information. So we are searching for the job, right now. So we must go down on this website, it's right here, and in the top right corner, in the top bottom corner, you will find the link find jobs. So you must click on this link, and you can check what kind of the jobs you can do, because as I said, this website will be really great for the many people, who searching really for the online job. So what we have right here, we have the web, mobile and software devices, IT and networking, and okay, so here's the data science and analytics, engineering, guys. Also here's translation, writing, design and creative, some legal, sales, customer service, many kind of the ways where you can start. So for example, guys, let's choose maybe, I don't know, writing or maybe translation. Okay, let's choose translation. So I just want to show you, for instance, just to provide for you information, so you will get to know where today in 2019 you can start to make mine online just doing the job. So here what we see, here's English to German, there's the need translation. So you can see that the guys will gonna pay $150 is the fixed price, and just for the translations. The goal is to translate an English campaign structure for search ads into German. We're able to provide a German page for this, so you can get familiar with the content. Search ads have character limits for each ad, which we will also share with you. These character limits per line are essential to not exceed, as otherwise the ad can be used in the total are 453. So guys, you can just choose what kind of the job you can do, because many people, they have different skills, and you must to focus it on your skills exactly, because it's really important. Also what we have right here, we have the different kind of the prices, like fixed price by the $50, $150, there's $20, many different kind of the jobs which you can do for the people, and people will gonna pay you. So also not just translation right here, we have the writing, design and creative. Maybe some of the people, they can do design, maybe some people can provide a customer service. So let's open the customer service. Just you can check, guys, just go right now by the link in the description and check what kind of the work you can do. And for the many people also, it can be full-time work, like full-time job online, because you can see that you can work like 30 hours plus per week, right here. So you can just go right here and choose what you can do, like online support specialist. So let's just open and check what is inside. So we're a fast-growing hospitality business that has grown from 3 to 50 Airbnb with this listing in the past 6 months. We're looking for someone who can oversee our messages and security system between the hours of 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Daily, You will be responding to messages and securities, answering the phone calls, handling any issues or questions from the customer, and forwarding into the appropriate team if it's not something you are able to resolve online. So that's required. Fluency in English and previous customer service experience is required. As you see, it's required. And administrative experience is also a huge plus and would give you more potential for more responsibilities and promotions. So you can see that it's hourly, it's project links about the 6 months. You can work like 6 months with these guys, and they will gonna pay you how much? $5 per hour. Yeah, $5 per hour you can get and make the money with them. Many kind of the ways right here on the Upwork, and what I really like, for some reason it will be the option for that people who searching for the online job. You don't need to start a business if you're afraid. You can just go here right on the Upwork and just make some money. So after that you can invest that money in the business, and it will be the option for the many people to start from the bottom to the top. All the time I'm telling to the all guys who watching my videos that online many ways how to get paid, and here is the really great opportunity for the many people to work, like is the customer support, the customer service, like translation. Also we have here like admin support. Maybe if you can do some data entry jobs, you can also find right here. Just we go in and we see what we have here also, like $100 fixed price, the virtual assistant to find contact information. Yeah, you can do that. The virtual assistant needed for e-commerce business, like 10 to 30 hours per week. What also we have here, the telemarketers needed for digital marketing agency, cold calling virtual assistant, data entry research, email address from holiday apartment owners. Guys, many ways, many different kind of the offers from the people, so you need to choose exactly that what you can do, because this will be the option exactly for you to start to make great business. And why Upwork? Because for today, guys, it's the platform where many people can just go right here, where they can just know what they can do for the people. They have the skills and then can provide it. And this is really trusted and legit platform, already working I guess more than 5 or even 10 years. I'm not remember exactly, because before it was called Elance, right now is the Upwork, but it's the same platform where the people just are working as a freelancers. So you can just go right here and find exactly that what you want. And also what I want to tell you guys, if you want me to make a tutorial for you how to make the account right here, how to update your profile, how to get the more expensive jobs, I can do some tutorial. But for today, as you know, I'm working in the BAPI company and we are growing every single day. Soon will be the great education on the many languages. It's Spanish, Russian, German, English, and a lot of the people join the business BAPIC every single day. So we're really happy about that, and we're growing in the BAPIC. But for sure we're searching for the other people from the different countries, from the different cities, who are ready to grow from the bottom to the top. And you can also start, guys, from the Upwork.com. If you don't have any money, if you don't have nothing to invest right now, if you are not ready, so Upwork will be the option for you guys, the option and like first step to start to grow in 2019. Because right now online business, work online, it started to be really popular. A lot of the people, they every single day doing something online. They're searching for the new ways how to make money online. They're searching for the new jobs. They're searching for the new opportunity. And you must be in 2019 on the internet. You must to make money, because soon 1-2 years everybody will be online, and all the work right now going to online. It's already started many years ago, guys. So this is the time, this is the way, and I invite everybody to the Upwork.com. You can just check all the information about how to start to make money with the Upwork.com, and just provide in the comments if you want to make for you tutorial how to make the account, because right here you couldn't start it without the account. You must to, for example, if you want to apply for the job, so you must to go, like, let's check it, Amazon SEO, So going right here, and we must to apply as freelancer. So to apply as freelancer, you must to make the account. You must to provide first name, last name, mail address, and then you also must to provide details about yourself. To provide some certificates, if you have it, it will be the great benefit. And the people, they just also searching for the freelancers, and if your CV is great, if your account is good, they watching that, so they can ask you about to help them with some job, and they can pay you even more than for the other people. And also here's the ratings, here's the many stuff, like you can also have some career on the Upwork. But whatever guys, it's the work, it's a job, it's never will be your business, you know. And if you want to make the really great money, of course you need to start, you must to start doing the business. But Upwork, like I said, it's a job, and this is the option for the many people who searching to find online job. Guys, it was Team Wider. Don't forget to paste the comments below if you do not understand something. Don't forget to put the like, and of course ask your question, because the question every time important to receive the answers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to receive all the notification, so it will be the really great benefits for you to receive the new hot videos. Thanks everyone for watching. Stay blessed.